Another item in your kit is the MedReady medication dispenser. This is an awesome device that we have distributed through our senior safety program for 10 plus years. It is a medication reminder system. It's also a lockbox. So the MedReady can dispense pills up to 4 times a day. It can do as little as 1, but it can go up to 4. So the way it works is there is the dispenser and there's a little tray inside. And when the alarm goes off for the next time to take your pill, the tray rotates. Then to turn off the alarm, you have to push up the compartment here, and that'll turn off the alarm. And you just have access to the pills for that time. So how do we set it up? First thing we're gonna do, flip it over. And then on the back, this is the battery compartment cover. Use your nail. Kind of tricky.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you take off the battery compartment cover. And this is the battery. And it comes with the keys attached to it. I'll just take those off for right now. Take the rubber band off. And then there's a little plug here. And there's only one way that it can go into the device. So plug that in. Stick the battery in there and put the cover back on. The next thing you want to do is insert the power adapter. So that's in this little white box. Okay, so we have the power adapter plugged in, and then we're going to plug it into the MedReady itself. So that spot is on the back. And it even has a little cord organizer there. And there's a little cutout to put the cord in. So the device will light up and show a time. It starts at 12 o'clock. So now we need to take the lid off. So we use our keys. Insert the key. You gotta push it down a little bit and turn it. And then to open the device, it's a little bit tricky. What you wanna do is push down a little bit and turn it about 1 inch clockwise. And you'll be able to take off the battery cover. So once you have the cover off, now we need to set the time. To set the time, you press this time set button. So you press and hold that, and then you use the buttons on the opposite side, hour, minute, AM, PM, to set your time. So you just move through till you get the time you want. When you're done, release the time set button. Now we want to set our alarms. So to do that, there are 4 alarms. So if you or the person you're caring for takes medication twice a day, you only need the first 2 alarms set. So we're gonna pretend that we just have to take 2 alarms or medication twice a day. So the first one, we're gonna press and hold the 1. And now we're going to advance the hour and minute to the correct time. And to set the next alarm, we just go to the 2, press it down, and we're going to again advance our hour and minute to the correct time. So right now, the device has 3 alarms turned on. And the reason I know that is because there is the light above the 2, the 3, and the 4. And the 1, 2, 3, 4 correspond with the alarms. So I want to have alarm 1 and 2 turned on and 3 and 4 turned off. So to turn on the alarm, you see I accidentally turned off alarm number 1. I'm going to press and hold until the light appears. And the light came back on. And then to turn off the alarms we're not using, you just press and hold the corresponding buttons. So I'm going to turn off 3 and 4. And it's about 5 seconds that you have to hold those buttons to turn them on or off. Okay, you can test your alarms with this alarm test button. Okay, to turn the alarm off, this little white bar needs to come back up, which is what happens when the lid is on and a person opens it up to take their pills. Turns the alarm off, moves that white bar up. Now, to fill one of these devices, included with the MedReady are some different templates, depending on how many times a day you take medication. So these are really helpful to have. And there are these little round things. So I just want 2 a day. Let's see if there's one in here. It might just be for 3 and 4 times a day. Okay, so there's templates for 3 or 4 times a day. This helps you to line up where the pills go. So morning, noon, evening, and night, for example. To fill the MedReady, you just put your pills in. So if we're going to do AM, PM, AM, PM, for example, in this instance, when the alarm advances, the tray moves clockwise. So there's a little line on the bottom. So we're going to say that we want to take tomorrow morning's pills. Those are going to be in that first container to the right of that little line. To put the cover back on, you want to make sure that the white bar is pushed to the top and the lid cover is pushed down. Then you're going to set the cover on top of the MedReady. You're going to go about 1 inch clockwise of where it would be perfectly aligned. Set it on there, push down just a little bit, and go back counterclockwise. Then you turn your key, it'll take it the rest of the way, and take the key out. Now, when your next alarm goes off to take your medication, the alarm will go off, the whole tray will turn, you'll get access to the pills just for that time. And to turn it off, you would open the compartment. And that is the MedReady.